Head over to my blog at www.shehadsflavor.com to sign up for my newsletter and be the first to check out my exclusive recipes and other content. I will leave the link listed down below. Hello everyone, welcome to another delicious recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best strawberry sweet tea. So let's get started. So we are going to start by tossing all of our fresh strawberries into a blender, and I'm just going to poach these until it's completely pureed. And you can also substitute fresh strawberries with frozen if you choose to use frozen strawberries for this recipe. Just make sure you allow enough time for the strawberries to be completely thawed before you add them to make strawberry sauce. So once I've blended all of my strawberries, I'm going to pour them into a saucepan and I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, and I'm just going to tighten the sauce up a little bit. So I'm just going to allow this to simmer for about 10 minutes and then I'll remove it from the heat and allow it to completely cool. And then while my sauce cools, I'll go ahead and get started on making the tea. So I'll be using just plain old black tea bags because this is a southern sweet tea. So I'm going to use about 10 regular size black tea bags. All I'm going to do is bring the water to a boil, and then I'm going to allow this tea to steep for about 10 minutes. Once I'm done steeping my tea, I'll remove all of the tea bags from the tea, and then while the tea is still relatively warm, I'll add in my sugar. I like to add the sugar while it's relatively warm. That way the sugar will dissolve in the warm tea. So I'll add about 1 cup of sugar. You adjust it as you need to. So if you want more sugar, then add more, adjust it accordingly. So now I'm just going to grab my glass pitcher. I'm going to add water combined with all of that sweet tea, all of the strawberry puree, and then I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon, and I'm just going to stir everything together really well to combine. Guys, when I tell you this sweet tea is so delicious. So I will leave the recipe linked down below. Here in Texas, the weather has been averaging over 100 degrees each day. So when I tell you I've been having the strawberry sweet tea on repeat, yes, it's been on repeat daily because it's been that hot. Well guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me for another delicious recipe, and I'll see you later. Bye.